You can use the Eargo Deep Cleaning Kit to deep clean your hearing devices as needed. We recommend these steps. Remove the ear tips and set them aside. Use the alcohol wipe all over the bare devices. Knead the putty and make it into a roll or a ball. Hold the putty in one hand and the hearing device in the other. Gently press the putty into the sound outlet and peel it away. Do this a few times. This should clean up the mesh where amplified sound exits the device. Gently press the putty into the sound inlet and peel it away. Do this a few times. This should clean up the mesh where sound enters into the device. Use an alcohol wipe all over the bare devices to remove any residue. Replace ear tips onto devices. From time to time, it will be necessary to clean the charger to ensure it functions well and detects your hearing devices for charging. Use the cleaning cloth to remove wax and debris from charger cradles and charging contacts. Happy hearing!